What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're doing something different, and if you can't tell by the thumbnail yet, we're not working on a Jeep today. We are working on a brand new 2021 Land Rover Defender Dynamic X. So I had to make some brackets for the jerry can to fit on it. It's very custom, and then also we're going to just help and put everything on the roof rack and get this Defender ready to go to the Kalahari on a month trip. It's gonna be a blast. So there's nothing here yet, but just like that, 2021 Defender X Dynamic 3-liter petrol, 297 kilowatts. It's a beast of a machine. So today we'll be fitting some stuff on the roof racks. I'll show you guys. Check this out. Awesome guys, so we've got this stuff on the roof rack. Looks perfect and very good, very awesome Defender here. So guys, if you do like this content, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you for watching, keep safe, cheers.